Good morning, dear children. How are you? Today we are going to see a new lesson. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Back exercises. See, already this lesson I have already finished, completed. See that Chetan was absent, and the children will tell that he is not feeling well. That's why he was absent. Do you remember that? Mosquitoes cause malaria, dengue, chikungunya, all those things. I have taught you how to avoid these infectious diseases. Like you should keep your surroundings clean. Yes or no? Okay. Shall we move on to the back exercise? Take page number 24. Take page number 24, everybody. So we have the new words, that is malaria, a disease that a person gets when a type of mosquito bites her or him. Gutter, the part at the end of a road where water collects and flows away. Ditches, long narrow holes dug at the side of a field or road to hold or remove unwanted water. Breeding place, a place where animals or insects give birth to their young ones in large numbers. Dawn, the time just before sunrise. Dusk, the time just before night. Repellent, the substance that drives things away. Infectious, a disease that can be passed from person to person. Virus, a very tiny living substance that can cause diseases. Okay. So Roman letter 1. Personal cleanliness keeps us healthy. Correct. The sentence is correct. If you keep yourself clean, you will be healthy. Okay. Okay. Tick the statements that help you keep good health. One is done for you. Cutting the nails regularly. So I don't know how to put a tick mark in my computer, so I just typed true or false like that. But you should put a tick mark or into mark. Okay. Okay. Cutting the nails regularly. Tick mark. True. Picking the nose always. Very bad. Should not do that. Huh? Early morning when you are going for the restroom, when you are using the restroom, you should clean all your nose and all. Okay. Unnecessarily when you are talking with others, when you are sitting in the class, you should not do this. Picking the nose always. Into mark. Into. Bathing once a month. No, we should take bath every day. Yes or no? Bathing once a month is not correct. Okay. So it is wrong. Washing hands before and after every meals. Put tick mark. Very good. Before and after eating, you should wash your hands thoroughly, and especially during these days, you should never forget to wash your hands. Okay. Because of this corona and all, you should wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water or in a sanitizer. Okay. Wearing unwashed clothes. Daily wearing dirty clothes, is it correct? That smelly dress, if you wear, what happens? Dogs will come at the back of you. Okay. So you should wear clean clothes. Okay. Wearing clean clothes. So fifth one is into mark. Brushing teeth every morning and night. Very good habit. Put tick mark. Combing hair daily. As soon as you wake up, what you should do? You should comb your hair, brush your teeth, clean yourself, wash your face with soap and water. Always you should keep yourself clean and tidy. Then you will be always healthy. Okay, combing hair, put tick mark. Using a handkerchief, napkin while sneezing, very good, correct. Okay, you should, if you don't have anything, at least you cover with your hands, so that you won't spread that organisms to others. Okay. Spitting on the wall, no, should not do that, into mark. Wearing clean clothes, good. Wearing clean clothes shows you are neat and tidy. Okay, put a tick mark there. Next, take page number 25. In page number 25, Roman letter 2. So there are some agents that cause diseases in us. The agents are given in box B, and names of diseases are in box A. Match them. So the diseases are cholera, malaria, rabies, bird flu, plague. So what are the causes for that diseases? That is given in the B side. So which cause cholera? House fly. Near the house fly, write 1. Okay, near the house fly, write 1. Cholera, house fly. Malaria, mosquito. Rabies, dog. Bird flu, chicken. Plague, rat. Okay. Roman letter 3. Answer the following questions. First one, why is Chetan absent? Chetan was absent because he was not feeling well. What is he suffering from? He was suffering from malaria. What are the diseases caused by mosquitoes? Dengue, malaria, chikungunya are some of the disease caused by mosquitoes. Fourth one, what should you do to avoid falling sick? To avoid falling sick, we should keep our surroundings clean. So fifth one, what are the symptoms of dengue? The symptoms of dengue are headache, rashes and body pain. Okay. Take page number 26. Roman letter 4. The house that you see on page 25. See here, in page number 25, they have given a picture here, but I have cut it and pasted here. Okay, down below in your video, the down below picture only is there in page number 25. Okay, so that we can see easily and write the answer. That's why I have pasted here. Okay, on page 25 is Vinay's. Now observe the picture and answer the following question. Okay, look down, see here, there's a picture here. See to that and answer me. What is on either side of his house? What is on either sides of Vinay's house? Vinay's house, they have written Vinay's house. See here, Vinay's house. First one is Vinay's house. On either side, both the side, what is it? There is a tree on either side of the house. What is in front of the house? There is a road in front of the house. What can you see opposite his house? There is another house in front of his house. What shop is there diagonally opposite his house? Diagonally opposite is TL pet shop is diagonally opposite to his house. Okay, this TL pet shop. Where is the tap? The tap is on the right side of the house. The tap is on the right side of the house. What can you see behind his house? I can see an electric pole behind the house. So, in this picture, what do you understand from this? They are asking the position. They are asking the positions. Okay. Roman letter 5. Find the insects, animals in the picture and complete the sentence. Now, we'll move on to page number 27. The questions are in page number 27 and the picture is right beside this. Here, see, look here, page number 27. I have cut and pasted the picture here on the top next to you so that you can answer correctly. The mosquito is dash fruit bowl. Where is that mosquito? Where is the mosquito? Can you see the mosquito? The mosquito is over or above the fruit bowl. Yes or no? The 3 mosquitoes, I think. That is the mosquito. The cat is... Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. Where is the butterfly? The butterfly is above the flowers. See, near that flower wash, above that there is a butterfly fly. The rat is... Where is the rat? Outside the cupboard. Cupboard is there. That is outside. Outside the cupboard. The cockroach is under the table. Yeah, it is under the table. The fly is inside the tumbler. There is one fly inside the tumbler. Okay, the fly is inside the tumbler. Okay, Roman letter 6. The opposites of the underlined words are found in the lesson. Identify and complete the sentence given below. Mohsin was present but Chetan was absent for the class. Absent. Present. Opposite word is absent. Okay. The surroundings of the house was dirty but the classroom was clean. Chetan's classmates were healthy but Chetan was unhealthy. Okay. Okay, fine. Roman letter 7. Make smaller words from the given word. Education. Remember, each letter should be used only once in each word. Follow the example. So, this is word building. So, here 2-letter word, 3-letter word and 4 and more letter words. You can frame from out of this. This one you are going to do it. Okay. Do it at home in the rough note and send it to me. Okay. Do you understand, children? Excuse me. 2-letter words in. 3-letter words cat. 4 or more letter words seer neat. So even in 2-letter words you can write at, on. Yes or no? Yeah. 3-letter words can, can, can. Write like that. Okay. 4-letter words, more than 4-letter word, caution, CATION, caution. Okay. You find out and write it and submit to me. Let's turn the page. Page number 28. Let us speak. Roman letter 8. Fill up the blanks with suitable responding words, expressions to get a meaningful dialogue and practice it with your classmate. Seema returns the pen. Thank you. I bought a new pen yesterday. What you should say? You should say, you're welcome. I'm going to my aunt's house tomorrow. Will you come with me? Seema is telling, oh, I am sorry. Tomorrow I am going to clean my house. So what you should reply? Oh, that's fine. Take care. Okay. This how you should complete the dialogue. I have written the answers nearby. Copy that answers in that fill-ups. Okay. Dash. Practice these expressions of inviting with your friends. See, shall we? Shall we play? You must come. Why don't you join? Please do come home. Okay, these are some of the examples, children. Meet you in another new lesson. Okay, thank you.